But if you spend 5 or 10 minutes, it will make and bigger, right? Because the first exercise, I will keep it around 10 or 15 minutes. If it's still flow out, it's still processing, I will keep it 30 minutes, right, like this. But really easy for you to use. Set up the input height. But you don't forget you to glue this way to be linking. How to use the every connecting high to 5 to 5. Okay. Now I set up the filling water pipe. Start to set up each. Set up the output pipe. First I need to use the glue, but also don't forget to use the glue. Make sure no linking during the process will teach you. installing the output air press, measuring the air pressure. Air pressure, but in this project we use double air pressure. Air pressure very important for all of you to use during we install our project. I just told all of you I use the double air pressure for me stronger to suck the water from the well, from the deep well. Okay, and okay, I connect for output pipe. Output pipe, if we use that long, it's very easy to suck the water. Air pressure, if we use the double air pressure, it's very important that we have used when we install this project 3NG water pump, because this air pressure used for stuck or to stop the bubble or the air when it come back from the end of this pipe, output pipe. When it arrive here, this double air pressure will stuck or stop it and then push it back by pressure. It will important. Make sure the bubble or the air cannot go into this drum. If the air go into this drum, our project not successful. Because have the air in this drum cannot suck, cannot make a pressure to suck or to pull the water from the deep well. It's very important. And make sure you do like this. You can see with the deep well, right? This way around 8 or 10 meter each. Okay. And right now I start to fill the water in this drum. But you have to remember, when you fill, you have to make around 80% of this drum. You should have the space to make a pressure or suck or to pull water from the deep well. That's right. We use a double. You can see we use a double valve, right? This example, if I fill in the water in by this valve, this one will come out for the retain, come out the air. During we refill fill water in this one. Okay, now I start to fill the water. By the coconut, I fill it. It's so big, my basket. I have to refill the water in this drum until it's 80% of this drum. Make sure it has space to make a pressure to suck the water from the deep well. Around here because I spend a lot of basket to fill water in this drum, so it's enough. Okay, right now. Just last moment, I fill the water in this drum full. But you have to remember, we just around 80 or 85% of this drum can have the space to make a pressure for sucking the water from the deep well like this as well, right? Okay, right now how does it work? We start before we start over processing. We have to close all valve. Okay, I start to close one valve, the double valve. Make sure I have the pressure, and you can see, and the output pipe, this we call the main valve, right? Just open already, and with a double, but you make sure you have to check which any linking, right? Okay, no linking. Now go to the end of this more time. You open it out that one. And now you can see the end of this pipe. How does it work? I will start to open it, right? Start first, okay. But you have to remember, the first is strong. The first is strong like this, right? But if you spend 5 or 10 minutes, it's will weak and weaker, right? Because the first is so strong like this. I will keep it around 10 or 15 minutes. If it's still flow out, it's still processing, our project successful, right, like this. But very easy for all of you to use. This we call BMG water pump without electric heating. Especially in the quality side. For filling the refill injectable pump as well. It's good, right? It's good project that you can use. Okay. And then I will go back. Okay, next. Want to see how that go to it again. in this deep well, you can suck the water from the deep well, and you can see the level of the well inside. It get down because suck. You pull water from the well. It's good. Okay. And the last one. Okay. Thank you for all of you here to see my explanation, my installing this project. So I hope all of you to see my video. And then the last I would like to all of you. If you want to see my video, please help me to subscribe or to ring the bell. Thank you for watching my explanation, my video. Thank you. Bye bye.